How to manage privacy settings in Google Chat. For this, go ahead and open a Google Chat in your mobile device or on your PC. Then tap on your profile icon and then tap on Manage your Google account. Since it is one of the service of Google, you have to manage via your Google account. Tap on the option of security from here. Now the first step of privacy is to secure your account. For that, you can use two-factor authentication or authenticator application, Google Prompt, two-step verification phone numbers, recovery phone, and recovery email. You can select the option of authenticator. For this, you will easily find an application called Google Authenticator via your Play Store or App Store. If you want to use this application, just install it on your mobile device. Just scan the QR code it will display and set a PIN. Other option is to use two-step verification. If you tap on this option, it will notify you whenever you try to log in with the same device or a different device. For this, it will notify you via email or a message. So you have to go ahead and confirm that it is you. Then you have to enter your phone number in this process.